Oh, wait. So, what we're doing is shooting Corey in the leg with what we call nowadays a staple gun. Before it used to be a medieval tool used by Nazis. So, moving on. This is Corey's leg here. This is the gun. Alright, Corey. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Ben, are you ready?
You should prove that there's staples in it.
Oh yeah, to prove that there's staples in it, we will staple this paper. This paper has no staples. Okay. There you go, ma'am. There it is on the other side. Now it's time for Corey's leg. Alright, put your phone up so we can get phone length. What we're doing now is measuring phone length. From the phone to the staple gun. Alright. Here we go.
Still nothing.
Nothing?
No.
How about we do half the phone length?
You can do this. I will give you this. It will not do anything.
Okay. Got it? Make
Yeah.
sure you see it.
Yeah.
Alright, 1. I'm freaking out. 2.
That's hella farther away.
Is it?
Yeah. I said like this.
Okay. 3.
That shit's pussy.
That shit, he says, is pussy. Now it's Ben's turn.
No, this is some weed.